Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we can see that how to create an S3 bucket. In the previous part we can see that the introduction of S3 bucket. If you haven't seen that video, go to the link given in the description below. To create an S3 bucket, first we need to sign in on AWS console, sign in to it, click on AWS account, then click on AWS Educated Started account. After that we need to go on AWS console. For creating an S3 bucket, we need to go on S3 services. Here we write S3 and go on S3 services, click on it. For creating an S3 bucket, we need to click on create bucket, click on it. Enter the bucket name here. I am using the bucket name as Ankit Codes. Leave the AWS region as default. Then click on create bucket. Here you can see that we are successfully created our bucket as name Ankit Codes. Click on the bucket. After creating an S3 bucket, we are going to create folder inside an S3 bucket. So click on create folder and here you can write the folder name. I can write the folder name as Ankit. Scroll down and click on create folder. Here you can see that our folder will be created. Click on the folder that we are created. Now we are going to upload a file inside the folder. Click on upload. To add a file, click on add file. Select the file you want to add. I am adding the index.html file. Select it and click on open. After adding the file, we need to click on upload. Scroll down and click on upload. Now you can see that our index.html file is successfully uploaded. Then click on the file we are uploaded. To check whether the uploaded file is accessible or not, we need to copy the object URL and paste it into the browser. Here we can see that it gives an error, access denied. So what we can do to granting the public access to an S3 object, select the bucket that we are created earlier, then go to permission, then click on edit public access settings, click on it, uncheck the box and scroll down and click on save changes. Here you need to write confirm to save the changes. After that we need to go where we are uploading our file. So we are going inside the folder and then click on the file we are uploaded and go to the permission and then click on edit ACL. Here we can allow the object public access. Click on it, scroll down. First we need to tick the checkbox, then click on save changes. Now we need to copy the object URL and paste it into the browser. It could be accessed. Here we can able to see the content of index.html file that we are uploaded in S3 bucket. So if you want to delete your S3 bucket, you need to select your created bucket. As you can see, we are created the bucket as the name of Ankit Codes. So we select it, then click on empty. For confirming the deletion, we need to write the given word here, permanently delete. Then click on empty. All the files and folder that we are created inside the S3 bucket are deleted. After that, we need to select the bucket and click on delete. Here we can write the bucket name for deleting the bucket and then click on delete bucket. The created bucket is deleted successfully. That's all about S3 bucket. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.